Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something that I think a lot of women are curious about: how to make a man addicted to you and only you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it even possible? And the answer is absolutely. But it's not about physical appearance or trying to change who you are to impress someone else. It's about embracing your inner qualities and becoming the best version of yourself. So, if you're ready to learn the secrets of making a man fall deeply in love with you, keep watching. Number 1, seizing the opportunity and being appropriately gentle. You know, women are naturally gentle and nurturing, and men are drawn to that. But it's not about being submissive or agreeing to everything. It's about understanding when to offer your partner the right amount of support and warmth. Think of it like creating a safe harbor for your man, where he feels comfortable and protected. When you show vulnerability and trust him, he'll feel like he needs to take care of you, and that's when he'll start to fall in love with you even more. Number 2, having a clear attitude and independent personality. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I want to be with my partner all the time. And that's understandable, especially in the early stages of a relationship. However, men need their own space, and if you're always clingy, it can get suffocating. Smart women understand how to make men adore them more by having their own opinions, being faithful to their relationship, and accepting responsibility when their partner needs assistance. It's not about being obsessed or giving up your life for love. It's about being an equal partner and having your own identity. Number 3, being confident, enthusiastic, and upbeat. Confidence is key, ladies. A man may notice your physical attractiveness at first, but what will keep him hooked is your confidence and enthusiasm. When you radiate positivity and self-assurance, it's like a magnet that draws him in. And the best part is, confidence comes from within. It's not about trying to impress someone else, it's about being comfortable in your own skin and knowing your worth. Number 4, projecting high value. Now, this one might be a bit confusing, but stick with me. Projecting high value doesn't mean trying to be someone you're not or pretending to be more interesting than you are. It's about realizing your own self-worth and knowing that you deserve the relationship you desire. You're not playing hard to get, but you're making him work a bit harder for your devotion and loyalty. You're proud of your job, your profession, and your interests, and you're not afraid to show it. That's what makes you special, and that's what he'll value most about you. So there you have it. The 4 outstanding qualities that women who can get men addicted to them forever have in common. It's not about trying to change who you are or manipulating someone else's feelings. It's about embracing your inner strengths and becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, when you focus on building your own confidence, independence, and self-worth, you'll become irresistible to the right man. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.